Magellan lost the favor of the King of Portugal when he became involved in a political blank. Would entanglement, discussion, negotiation, or problems best fit this blank, or would none of the above make appropriate choices? Let's begin by locating the original context in our paragraph. The first paragraph tells us that as a young Portuguese noble, he served the King of Portugal, but he became involved in the quagmire of political intrigue at court and lost the king's favor. The word quagmire originally just meant a swamp or a bog, with the word mire still meaning mud. However, it eventually came to be used as a metaphorical swamp or bog, meaning just as it is hard to get yourself out of a swampy area, a quagmire is a situation that it is metaphorically hard to get yourself out of. Based on this definition, we can see that A, entanglement, best matches our definition and can be therefore marked as our final answer.